Hello everyone, I'm Avika Kamboj, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmacy, RPIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastada, Karnal. Today we will discuss about fracture and the first aid measures which we should take in fracture. The breakage of bone is known as fracture. Fracture can occur during an accident where bones may break or may displace from the joints, or dislocation of the bones may occur. Fracture can be described in three types. Simple fracture, which is also known as closed fracture. In simple fracture, a bone is broken but there is no break in the skin. Compound fracture or open fracture. In compound fracture, a bone is broken and there is an open wound in the soft tissues of the skin. Compound fracture are more serious than simple fractures. And the third one is complicated fracture. In complicated fracture, there is an injury to blood vessels, nerves, or any vital organ like brain, lungs, or spleen, etc. Signs and symptoms of fracture: pain at or near the site of fracture, pain over the affected area on applying pressure, swelling at the site of action, the patient is unable to move the affected part, unnatural movements may be felt or heard. When one end of the broken bone moves against the other, a peculiar sound is heard. General first aid measures for any fracture are: immediately control bleeding by applying pressure bandage. Bleeding should be controlled immediately. Cover all wounds with sterile dressings. Immobilize the fractured part immediately so as to avoid injury to nearby parts of the body by movements of the fractured part, which may even puncture the tissues of the skin. For this purpose, bandages may be used. Another part of the body can also be used. For example, fractured arm can be fixed to trunk by using slings, or a broken leg may be tied to other leg. Immobilization can be done, or immobilization is important to prevent pain, to prevent further damage to other parts of the broken ends, to support the tissues which are ordinarily supported by the bones which are now fractured, accelerate the rapid healing of the broken bones. Do not move fractured part unless necessary. Do not give anything orally to the patient because emergency operation may be required. Keep the patient warm. Analgesics may be given if the patient is having pain. To remove the pain, we should give analgesics to the patient and arrange to shift the patient to the nearby hospital as early as possible. But until and unless we get the medical help, we should follow the first aid measures for the fracture. Thank you.